Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful stitch. It's so easy, it's just 2 row repeat and it looks fancy. I think you will like it. For this piece I use a category 3 yarn and 3.5mm hook, but this time I'm gonna use this yarn. That's a category 3 yarn also, and a 5mm hook, so we can see how it looks with a bigger size hook or smaller size hook. You can choose whichever you like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please just push the button somewhere here. It's totally free, and if you are ready, we can start now. I saw this stitch on Pinterest and want to try it and make this one. While I'm making this, I realize there is something wrong with this pattern, and I made a few little change and I made this one. I think this looks better. If I haven't told you, I think you will not see the change. It's that little, but I want to tell this to you because I want you to know I am a hardworking woman and I can't stand pattern. It must be perfect. If you look closely, this edge not going straight at the first version. Of course you can fix it. Maybe when you make the border it will not look bad, but this way is better. And I change here too, because you know there is lines, there must be a line too also, so I made one. Now we can start. I think for this stitch you will need multiples of 3 plus 2 only one time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18. I made 18 and I'm gonna add 2 more. It's 20. Now turn, skip this first stitch, not this one, do not count this. Skip the first one, insert into the next, grab the yarn, yarn over and pull through 2. We made a single crochet. And we are gonna put 1 single crochet into each stitch. And that's the last one. Chain 1, turn. We will make front post single crochets. It's not so hard to make, so don't afraid to try it, okay? Now that's my first stitch. I'm gonna insert under it, go out from the front side, grab the loop, pull it, yarn over and pull through 2. Now insert from the stitch here, go out from the next one, grab the yarn, pull it and make a single crochet. I need to fix this. insert from here, go out, grab the loop, make a single crochet. Insert, go out, and put a single crochet. And we are gonna repeat this all the way along. It will be easier. That's a little bit hard one. While we are going, we are gonna repeat this row 3 and 4 again and again, and we are gonna make this front post around the double crochets, so it will be easier than this. Okay, I'm making this one, and there's one more stitch. Chain 3 and turn. Now we're gonna make shells. We are gonna put 3 double crochets into same stitch. But which one? While we are starting, we will not skip any stitch. That's our double crochet, so we use this stitch directly insert into this next one. Yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. That's a double crochet. I'm gonna make 2 more into same place. If we skipped a stitch here, it will turn to this one. So skip 2. Okay, 1, 2. Into the third, put 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Skip 2 into the third, put 3 double crochets. Skip 2 and make a shell into the third stitch. And we're gonna make the last one, skip 2 into the third. I have 2 stitches left. That's a stitch 2. Skip this one into the next. Here. Put a double crochet. Chain 1 and turn. Now we're gonna make front post single crochets. But this time we are not gonna start like that. Okay, we will insert into this stitch and go out from the next. So we're gonna make a front post single crochet. Insert from here, go out, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat this till the end. In the end, I have 2 stitches left, this one and this chains. Insert around this chain, make a single crochet, chain 3, turn. That's my double crochet into this next stitch. I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3 double crochets, skip 2 into the next, put 1, 2, 3 double crochets, skip 2 into the next, make a shell, just keep repeating till the end. I'm at the end, I'm making the last shell. Then skip the next stitch into the next, put a double crochet, chain 1, turn, and insert from this first stitch, go out from the next, put a front post single crochet, in the end put 1 here and 1 around these chains, chain 3, turn, and starting from this next stitch make your shells. Okay, we're gonna keep repeating this. And how could you finish this row? If you want, you can stop here, or you can make one more row with single crochets. Insert each stitch and put a single crochet. You see, that's without single crochet, and with it you can prefer whichever you want. And that's this simple. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment about which one do you like most. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, Pinterest, anywhere you want. It's all with the same name, Sirin's Crochet. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.